Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was trying to recreate a makeup look from one of my current favorite makeup artists. His name's Mitchell on Instagram. He does these amazing cut crease looks and I had such a huge inspiration to do something similar to his. Halfway through, I realized that it wasn't anything close to what he does. I was trying to recreate the look, but I think that the inspiration is definitely similar in this look, so I still love this and it turned out awesome. And if you missed last week's video, I'll go ahead and put it up in the cards and you can watch that one. So if you want to see how I did this Mitchell-inspired makeup, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. Nikki Tutorials did a video the other day with a very creative makeup artist, and his name's Mitchell on Instagram. I was just so inspired by his makeup that I really wanted to try to recreate one of his looks. I'll just put it on the screen so you can see how beautiful it is, but it is out of this world and I highly recommend you follow Mitchell on Instagram. He just does such beautiful work. Let's just get into the video. I haven't worn my wig for a few videos now, so I just thought I would mix it up and wear it today. From what I can tell from his Instagram stories, he goes straight in from concealer to eyeshadow. So he doesn't even set it with translucent powder or anything. He just goes straight in with the color. So I went ahead and put my Tarte Shape Tape on already. He just patted the concealer on with a concealer brush and then he went straight into the shadow. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lust right here and use that as my transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush and use that to apply the eyeshadow. This looks really pretty and blended out effortlessly. It's crazy. Do I even want to set my shadows anymore? Just to save time, I think that I'm only going to be showing you guys how I'm doing one eye, just so you're not watching me do the same thing on both. So okay, so this isn't giving me the same red that he used in the crease, so I'm going to be using my Bad Habit Royals palette. I got this palette whenever I got my Aphrodite palette by Bad Habit. I ordered these both from the Hush app. They were both $10 to $12, I think, but this is supposed to be a modern Renaissance dupe. I haven't used this in a video yet, but I have used this before and it's really, really pretty. So if you want to see me use this palette all by itself in a makeup tutorial, go ahead and leave a comment and I'll do that. But it does seem to have the perfect shade for my crease. So I'm going to be using the shade Majestic and I'm just going to be using the same Morphe brush for that. Ew, I just realized I didn't put chapstick on. Okay, so this still isn't the same shade, but I mean, I guess the idea is the same. Okay, I'm starting to realize that this looks nothing like his at all, but I'm just gonna keep going with it. So I have this red shade in my Morphe 35B palette that I'm going to be dipping into. Now I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade in the Morphe 35B. Pop that up here. I'm gonna go in with this dark blue shade and use that in the crease to deepen it up. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and putting some on the back of my hand, taking my concealer brush and applying this onto my lid. And what I'm going to do is apply it down here and then open my eye so that I can see where I need to put the concealer at, if that makes sense. I'm gonna keep that concealer more focused in the center of my lid and then go in with the blue shadow. So I'm gonna go in with that blue shade. I'm gonna go back in with this blending brush and take the dark blue. I'm gonna put it on the outer portions of the blue so that it blends in. Now I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. This look definitely needs a more dramatic lash, so I got these Ardell Mega Volume lashes in 252. Mascara, lashes, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so now that I have the lashes put on, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and today I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in 705, and I depotted this, and if you wanna see how I did that, I'll put that in the cards. But going in with my concealer brush and painting this on. Okay, so my foundation's all blended out, so now I'm gonna go with my concealer. I am still loving the Catrice concealer, so I'm gonna be using that today. So good. I really wanna try the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer, because I love the foundation so much, I feel like I have to love the concealer, you know? Okay, so my concealer's all blended out, so now I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun translucent powder. Taking my Eco Tools sponge, I'm gonna dip into the powder and set my concealer first. Now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques powder brush and blend this down my neck. So taking my butter bronzer and my e.l.f. brush, I'm going to apply my bronzer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Baked Bronzer in Radiance and use that on my cheekbones. So now I'm gonna go in with my blush, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with my Coty Airspun powder and my sponge, and I'm going to bake my bronzer and my blush. Okay, so I went ahead and put some Urban Decay All-Nighter eyeliner on my waterline, and now I'm gonna go in with the shade Majestic from the Royals palette again, down here, and pop that underneath my eye. So I blended the shade Majestic all over my bottom lash line, and now I'm gonna go in with the dark blue in the Morphe 35B palette and then blend that on the outer corners. And now taking the yellow shade in the Morphe 35B, I'm going to very lightly dust it underneath the red and the dark blue. So now I have my bottom mascara on, so I'm gonna dust off this bake and blend it in with my bronzer. And now I'm gonna do my highlight, and I'm gonna be taking my ColourPop in Flexitarian and using this to highlight today. Go in with this Catrice Liquid Metal eyeshadow in the shade Look Me in the Ice, and use that as my inner quarter highlight with my CoverGirl brush. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Color Rich in Caramel and line my lips with this. Okay, so I applied the lip liner, and now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Beige Babe and put this over my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. lip gloss and Champagne Glam. So now all I have left to do is set my face. So I rebought the Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I'm gonna be using this to set my makeup today. I think that this look turned out very, very glam, and I love it. It's definitely not the same as what I was trying to recreate, but it definitely has the inspiration in there, and I think it turned out awesome, so I still love it regardless. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on all my other social medias. They're all to Cocota. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, but my most active is definitely Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. But until next time, bye guys!